You should have received or will soon be getting your notice of assessment from the ATO. I'm going to explain exactly what a notice of assessment is and how to read and understand what everything means in your notice of assessment. Your notice of assessment is a final notice of assessment from the ATO in relation to your tax return. It's important to keep hold of this document in case you need it to provide to a lender down the track in relation to any loans that you might want to take out or currently have. So to start off with, on the top right hand corner, you'll see the period ending. So this is the year relating to the notice of assessment. The notice of assessment generally for this year should be for the period up to 30 June 2025. If you're receiving anything with a lower number, that's for a previous tax return that you've lodged. To the middle left of the document, you'll see your taxable income. Your taxable income is your gross earnings, any interest that you've earned, dividends, Centrelink payments, all bucketed together into one number, minus any tax deductions that you've claimed that year. The first debit that you'll see on the page will be the tax payable on your taxable income. Now this is a total amount tax payable based on the tax brackets in Australia for that financial year. Below that number is the Medicare levy or any Medicare levy surcharges that you might be liable for. The Medicare levy is based on your total income times 2%. The first number on the credit side will be any offsets you're entitled to. This could be a low income tax offset, any beneficiary offsets, or zone offsets. The last credit you'll see at the bottom right hand corner will be the amount of tax that your employer has withheld on your wages. Now the difference between the sum of those credits and the sum of those debits will be either your refund or the amount of tax you need to pay. If the sum of those amounts are in credit, that's a refund that you'll receive back from the ATO. If they're in debit, that means you have a tax bill to pay. Remember, debit means you've got tax still to pay, credit means you're getting money back into your pocket.